In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Amatriciana. Coming up. What is up, my simple cooks? It's John here from Simple Cookery. On this channel, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Today, we're making another super easy Italian pasta dish, Amatriciana. Anyways, let's go through the ingredients we'll need for today. First up, let's talk about the pasta. So usually on the channel, we've been using spaghetti. Today, we're using something called a Bucatini. This is a Roman pasta as well. So typically in Rome, they use a meat called Guincale, but if you can't find Guincale, you can go with a pancetta, which is what I've got here. Worst comes to worst, you can also just use bacon. Next up, we've got Pecorino Cheese. In Rome, for a lot of the pasta dishes, they use Pecorino rather than Parmesan. And we've got garlic, canned tomatoes, and some Chilli Flakes as well. That's all we need, guys. How many ingredients is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ingredients. Too easy. Let's get into the cooking. First step is to finely slice 1 clove of garlic. We're going to use the garlic to flavor the oil and create a gorgeous aroma. Next, dice the pancetta into small 1 centimeter cubes. I usually like the meat in smaller cubes because when you eat the pasta, they're going to be like little bursts of salty, fatty goodness. Now for the canned tomatoes, empty the can into a bowl and squish the tomatoes with your hand. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Finally, the last ingredient we have to prep is the cheese. Finally, grate a 1/4 cup of Pecorino cheese onto a plate. This will make it easier for you to just directly sprinkle it onto your pasta when you first combine it with the sauce. Okay, prep is done, so now let's get cooking. Bring a pan up to a medium heat, drizzle olive oil into the pan and add in your pancetta, the garlic, and then the chili flakes. And now we just want to cook the pancetta until they're nicely golden brown and the fat has been rendered out. This should take about 3 minutes. Then, add your canned tomatoes in. Wait till the sauce is bubbling and then lower the heat to a medium-low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's cook our Bucatini pasta. Bring a pot of water up to a rolling boil, salt the water and cook the pasta according to packet instructions. Once the pasta finishes cooking, directly drag the pasta into the sauce so that the starchy pasta water gets transferred into the pan. The pasta water is going to loosen the sauce up and help it combine with the pasta. Give everything a good mix. Then add in the Pecorino cheese and a touch more pasta water to help the cheese combine. Give it another stir. Now, all that's left to do is serve this up. Gorgeous. And that, my friends, is a bowl of Amatriciana. Now let's recap 2 things from this video. Number 1, try your best to find a Bucatini pasta, the pasta with a little hole inside. But if you can't find Bucatini, that's okay, you can use spaghetti as well. Number 2, try also just find Guincale, which is the pork cheek. But if you can't find Guincale, go with pancetta or bacon as well. And that's about it, guys. So, give this a go, guys. You won't regret it, I promise you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. And if you want to see the next episode, hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help beginners like you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. Yeah. Cheers.
No, I'm not doing that. That's
why, dude? Dude, BuzzFeed does it.
Yeah, but we're not BuzzFeed. Rejection at its best.
Oh, it's actually really good.
No.
Ooh, that punch from the Chilli Flakes, man. How do you like the Bucatini pasta? Really adds another level, eh?
It's really firm. Nice texture. Firm. No, it's good.
It's really good.